Jack, are you babysitting Michael? You making sure he's okay? Yeah? What are you guys talking about? Oh, don't shake him. Michael, can you say hi to Grandma? Yeah? What do you think, Jack? Can we say hi, Grandma? What's Michael doing? Yeah, are you babysitting? Yeah. Are you guys chatting? Yeah. Where's Michael? Yeah. And what does Michael say? Yeah, he does. He screams. And who are you? Are you Jack? What do you think? Yeah, are you Jack? Yeah. Point to Michael again. Where's Michael? Oh, you're Jack. Where's Michael? Yeah. All right, so we go see Christopher? Can you show Grandma where Christopher is? That's Michael. Do you want to go see Christopher?
Yeah.
Let's go see Christopher. Shh. Jack, is Christopher sleeping? Shh. Christopher's sleeping. Jack, can you say hi to Christopher? Yeah. Christopher's snoozing, huh? Hi, Christopher. Yeah. Do you love Christopher? Yeah. Is Christopher your buddy? Jack, can you go show Grandma your office? Where's your office? Where's your office? Is this your office? Is this the Jack office? Oh, boom.